Do you ever have problems figuring out what kind of foods are healthy and what exactly you should be eating for each meal is? Do you want to lose weight, maintain a healthy body, or even gain healthy weight? Well, Healthy Lives offers meal plans that are designed specifically to you and help you acquire the body type you've always wanted. By using a special design formula and by asking a few simple questions about your lifestyle, Healthy Lives will put together the perfect amount of food per meal to give you the body you've always wanted. We offer three meal plans: the Lean Plan for people trying to lose weight and body fat, the Sustain Plan for people trying to maintain their weight in a healthy way, and the Gains Plan for people who want to build lean mass and gain healthy weight. To make our product even better, we will deliver the ingredients right to your doorstep every week so you no longer have to worry about going to the grocery store, dealing with lines, and trying to find healthy ingredients that some recipes call for. Healthy Lives is a new way of living the most healthy lifestyle without overpaying for a dietitian or falling for those generic diet plans.